Finland, a land of breathtaking landscapes, magical winter wonderlands, and the dancing northern lights. Whether you're exploring the charming streets of Helsinki, crossing into the Arctic Circle in Rovaniemi, or gliding across the frozen lakes of Lapland, Finland offers adventure at every turn. Wondering when to go and how much it costs? Stay with us as we explore Finland's most incredible destinations, complete with budget tips to make your journey smooth and affordable. Let's begin. Helsinki, a city where Nordic design meets coastal beauty. Walk through the Grand Senate Square, explore the historic Suomenlinna fortress, or grab a coffee in the hip design district. In summer, the sun barely sets, making it perfect for exploring open-air markets and seaside cafes. The best time to visit? May to September, when the weather is mild and the city comes alive with festivals. A budget trip in Helsinki costs around 80 to 120 euros per day, covering public transport, local cafes, and museum entries. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, just a short ferry ride from Helsinki, Suomenlinna is a must-visit. Once a military stronghold, today it's a peaceful island with cobblestone streets, hidden tunnels, and scenic coastal views. Wander through its museums or enjoy a picnic by the shore. The best time to visit? Summer, when the ferries run frequently and the island is buzzing with visitors. A budget trip costs around 50 to 80 euros per day, including ferry tickets, museum visits, and a simple lunch. Nuuksio National Park, a tranquil haven of forests, lakes, and wildlife, just an hour from Helsinki. Hike through lush trails, spot flying squirrels, or go canoeing on a crystal-clear lake. It's an outdoor lover's dream, especially in summer and autumn, when the leaves turn golden. The best part? Entrance is free. The best time to visit? May to October for hiking and summer activities, or winter for snow-covered trails. A budget trip here costs around 30 to 50 euros per day, covering transport and food. Rovaniemi, the official hometown of Santa Claus. Meet Santa any time of the year, cross the Arctic Circle, and take a reindeer or husky ride through snow-covered forests. In winter, the northern lights dance across the sky, making it an unforgettable experience. The best time to visit? December to March for a true winter wonderland. A budget trip costs around 100 to 150 euros per day, covering a hostel stay, winter gear rental, and local food. Lapland, a snowy paradise where you can see the magical northern lights, go snowshoeing, or stay in a glass igloo under the Arctic sky. The silence of the Arctic wilderness is something you'll never forget. The best time to visit? September to March, when the auroras are at their brightest. A budget trip costs around 90 to 140 euros per day, including hostel stays and winter gear rental. The Åland Islands, where Finnish and Swedish cultures meet, with scenic lighthouses, cycling routes, and fresh seafood, these islands are perfect for a quiet escape. The best time to visit? June to August, when ferries operate regularly and the weather is warm. A budget trip costs around 60 to 100 euros per day, including ferry tickets and local food. LEVI, a ski resort straight out of a fairy tale. Whether you're hitting the slopes, riding a snowmobile, or warming up in a cozy cabin, LEVI is the perfect winter retreat. The best time to visit? November to April, when snow conditions are at their best. A budget trip costs around 80 to 130 euros per day, including hostel stays and lift passes. SAIMAA, the largest lake district in Europe, where water and wilderness blend beautifully. Kayak through crystal-clear lakes, take a steamboat cruise, or try to spot the rare SAIMAA ringed seal. This region is a paradise for nature lovers and those looking to escape the hustle of city life. The best time to visit? June to September, when the weather is warm and the lakes are perfect for swimming or boating. A budget trip costs around 60 to 100 euros per day, covering hostel stays, boat rentals, and local meals. SAVONLINNA, a medieval town best known for SAVONLINNA Castle, a fortress rising from the water. Every summer, the SAVONLINNA Opera Festival transforms the castle into a world-class performance venue. Wander the cobbled streets, explore lakeside cafes, or take a boat ride around the castle. The best time to visit? July, when the opera festival is in full swing. A budget trip costs around 70 to 110 euros per day, including castle entry, local meals, and accommodation. Turku, the historical heart of Finland, with Turku Castle standing tall since the 13th century. Walk along the Aurora River, visit charming cafes, and explore the VARONIEMI Handicrafts Museum to step back in time. In summer, the city comes alive with music festivals and riverboat parties. The best time to visit? June to August, when the weather is perfect for riverside walks. A budget trip costs around 70 to 120 euros per day, including museum visits, street food, and transport. PORVOO, one of Finland's most charming towns, where colorful wooden houses line the riverside. Walk along cobblestone streets, taste Finland's best chocolates, or step into PORVOO Cathedral, which dates back to the 15th century. The best time to visit? May to September, when the town is lively, or December, when the Christmas markets create a festive atmosphere. A budget trip costs around 50 to 90 euros per day, including accommodation and local treats. YLLÄS, one of Finland's top winter resorts, perfect for skiing, snowboarding, and reindeer safaris. If you visit in summer, you can hike under the midnight sun. The best time to visit? December to April for skiing, or June to August for hiking. A budget trip costs around 90 to 140 euros per day, covering hostel stays and ski rentals. UTSJOKI, the northernmost town in Finland, where Sami culture and Arctic beauty come together. Experience the midnight sun in summer or northern lights in winter. The best time to visit? September to March for auroras, or June to July for endless daylight. A budget trip costs around 80 to 130 euros per day, covering hostel stays and local transport. HOSSA National Park, one of Finland's best-kept secrets, with crystal-clear lakes, ancient rock paintings, and endless hiking trails. The best time to visit? May to October, when you can hike, kayak, or fish. A budget trip costs around 50 to 80 euros per day, covering camping, transport, and food. From the Arctic beauty of UTSJOKI to the sunlit beaches of Hanko, Finland offers something for every traveler. Whether you're looking for adventure, culture, or relaxation, This Nordic wonderland has it all. Which place in Finland would you visit first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more incredible travel guides.